Yay, you got a frame link from us. So that means there's assets ready to be reviewed. Whenever you click on the link, it's going to bring you to the share folder. And if you have multiple assets, you'll see them all at the bottom here that you can just click on and toggle between. Whenever you see a folder image, that means that this is a folder with multiple assets in there. This folder has two. And so if we wanted to go into this particular folder, we would then have to say open folder and then click between the various assets, and then just click the back button to get out of that folder. Whenever you're ready to, review an asset, you can go ahead and go to it, click on it. This is a PowerPoint. At any point on a slide, you could leave a comment. And then for videos, you simply just want to play the video and then pause anytime you want to add a comment. This is going to give us a timestamp response. So definitely make sure that this little timestamp marker is on and yellow so we can have all the crystal clear re-edits that you want, and we can get them done at the exact time that you want to see them. Whenever we do have assets complete, go ahead and click on the download button, and then you can choose all assets or just the current asset, and always choose the original size. Please let me know if you have any questions, and we hope that this makes providing us feedback that much smoother.